Hey guys, today we will be talking about gear and special about T-stand. This is my favorite T-stand, what I use long time, but I changed the mind and I bought new T-stand. Is this T-stand big, amazing? And today I will be talking about exactly why I changed, how I use, and what is the plus and minus this T-stand. Let's go. Hey guys, if you don't know me, I am Monika, food and product photographer, and on this channel I teach food and product photography, behind the scene, how to photography food with natural lights, with artificial lights, and I show the gear what I use for photography. And today we talk exactly about this T-stand. If somebody watching my video know, I love this T-stand. I use many years this T-stand, and I always take with me on photoshoot. When I work in my studio, I use this T-stand all the time for set up my background. How I set up the background, I show you. You need like paper or vinyl background. This is this background. Whiteboard. Why I use whiteboard? Because when I use the whiteboard, I can easily set up a background, and the background is have like nice shape, no damage anything, and is straight. That's I prefer to use this T-stand when I must do photography. Normal I use that high, and I can set up here like front of this desk and put another background and use that exactly this T-stand. I'm sorry, I have 150 centimeters long. That's I was not sure, but this T-stand is amazing T-stand when you must work and photography something bigger stuff. You photography with the clients, have set up maybe 2 tables and photography from 2 tables, or you want to put here the material and use this for photography is better because this arm is not so long. Why I didn't buy only long arm? Because I can buy long arm and use, because I need another T-stand. I work with my clients and I need another T-stand. What is for keep it background, white background, another will be set up and photography. That's I didn't buy only arm, long arm, because I need another the T-stand, and I think it's time to buy something better. I show you how you set up this. It's very easy. Scroll, you remove here one arm. Of course you can have and use this like one arm and set up. If you scroll this, you have perfect here. You set up and you can have only one arm, that's short, if you need. It's perfect. If you don't need and you need something to arm, what you do? Here is small hole and is that clip here. You put this this and smash the clip and coming here, and that's it. And your T-stand is ready. It's high, really high, nice. You can set up, but I show you now how I work with my clients, and that was more easy for me because we use the this T-stand, and I move here this T-stand. We use that, it's perfect. And when I bought this T-stand, I have 2 clips for set up the background or material or something what you will be use, and I have extra bags for this to packing easy, make in the pieces and take with me. Now we need something like table. It's good stuff. Have the table here. I want to show you. I have the table in this side, and here something on the top we put what we can set up as easy as background. like that position here. And another things, I will be set up the background here and here. But you can see how much things you can do for one times. I don't use the whiteboard. I normally take the clip and put the background here. And I have another clip, what was including here for this T-stand. I set up my background. All this background, the three what I set up now, is from company Club Backdrop. I bought last time. Recommend somebody this company if looking for new background. It's amazing. And that's easy. It's set up, and you can work like you see. If you have here background, that's position, you can straight away work with this. It will be much good color, everything. Second, if you put here another table, you set up something, you can work, or you can have one big background and set up everything and work with that project on your client, shoot quickly. I do that. This was speed. My job was amazing. We work faster. The clients was happy. I was happy. If you want to buy this T-stand, it's cheap, around £20. Have two arms. You can do one and one. Have two arms or one arms. Work with this. Another things, you can set up here whiteboard if you need whiteboard and put this direction this side like I have this T-stand, and can be for keep your whiteboard. Don't must keep only the background. I show you what I mean. That's and that is perfect. If we have here whiteboard and lights coming here, coming for product and make more bright, that you can use this stand. It's not only for set up your background, you can set up material, big material design. This was good move from me to buy new T-stand. Of course, I can use my old, my new, or both together on the shoot. Let me know what you think about T-stand. You use something that's in your photography or not, or maybe you buy now. But don't forget the link about this T-stand. You find the below where you can buy, how much cost, and more details. But if you want to know about more gears and what I use in the photography, check this video.